All right, guys, check it out. I want to tell you one of these boxes was sent to me by Syma for a review. The other box was sent to me by another YouTuber, goes by the name True Drone Reviews. His name is Bryan Singleton. Thank you, Bryan, very much. I appreciate it. And also thank you, Syma. It was weird because I got these boxes on the exact same day. It was a Saturday a couple weeks ago or so, and I was checking it out. I knew got the one from Bryan, and it's either this one or this one, don't matter. And I kept thinking, I'm going, now where did the other one come from? I was looking back in previous purchases, and I couldn't find it anywhere. And I had remembered that Syma reached out to me for a collaboration, and I said sure, and I forgot about it. And but sure enough, Syma sent one, and of course Bryan from True Drone Reviews, and go check out his channel, True Drone Reviews. He's got some good content, and he tells it like it is, just like the name of his channel, True Drone Reviews. And so, all right, guys. Anyway, take care. Just wanted to, tell that story. It's kind of funny. I got them the exact same day, and then I couldn't figure out what one was for, and I finally, figured it out. So anyway, all right. Have a good one, guys. See you later.